Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You're ready to enable stickers. First, confirm essentials. Update TikTok, then switch to a creator or business profile if you want extra sticker tools. Once done, make sure app permissions for camera, mic, and storage are granted so stickers can be recorded and saved. Open the app and tap the plus to enter the creator camera. This is where sticker options appear. From here, you'll proceed to content creation settings that unlock interactive and branded stickers. So start in the camera now. You've opened the editor, now access sticker tools. Record or import your clip, then tap the sticker icon. This reveals categories like GIF, emoji, polls, quiz, countdown, and music stickers. Use the search bar to find a branded sticker or keyword. Once selected, pinch to resize and drag to position. If the sticker supports timing, tap duration to choose when it appears. Make sure to preview the clip, so sticker timing and placement match your message before moving to final settings. Finish by previewing and adjusting any sticker timing, then add captions, hashtags, and select a cover before you post. If a branded or promotional sticker is missing, confirm you have campaign access or an invited creator role. Once posted, monitor engagement. Stickers can boost interaction. If stickers don't appear, try the troubleshooting steps. Clear app cache, log out and back in, update the app, or switch to a creator/business profile. If that fails, reinstall TikTok and recheck permissions.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.